The sun is shining today, my friends, and good morning to you all. Today's gonna be a fun one. The skies are looking blue and clear for once, no clouds up there. Woke up early and hitting the trail. Gonna do Clouds Rest, but first, I need some fuel, so some coffee, and then make some breakfast. I usually use about 3 tablespoons in this thing. It actually tastes pretty good for instant coffee. I mean, I'm not a coffee snob, but I know if it's a decent cup, and this tastes pretty good. Yeah, first time trying it cold. A good cup of joe. Back on the road. Guys, look, there's Half Dome. What we saw yesterday. But our journey leads us onward to Clouds Rest. So let's keep going. I think we're almost at the trailhead. Clouds Rest 7.4. All trails said, I think 12. Looks like more of a 15 miler. But I got snacks, provisions, and looking forward to this hike. Should be fun. The trailhead was quite busy this morning. Did not really expect that, but I snagged one of the last remaining spots and wolfed down some Tate cookies and a cup of coffee to fuel me. Snack time. Moon's still out. Beautiful little lake. Oh man, this is steep. We're heading up there. The final climb. Man. Wow. There's Half Dome, there's North Dome where I was yesterday, and there's El Cap where I was the day prior. Amazing. Yeah, you don't want to take a tumble here. I gotta be careful. Whoa.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. Take your time.
I might have chosen the wrong way to go.
No, yeah, down is a lot easier.
Yeah.
There's like some steps you'll see right there.
Right on. How was it, guys?
It's awesome. Amazing.
Sweet.
I totally leaned into the side like.
What a view.
It's such a beautiful day.
Oh, it sure is.
You have to go all the way to the edge, and just the vastness is amazing.
I will be. Fantastic.
Have fun.
Thank you. You as well. Made it to the summit, and it feels good. Time to get some food in me, relax for a good bit, and head back down. Beautiful. Wow. Oh yeah. Epic day so far. Time to head back down. We gotta traverse on this little ridge. Met an awesome guy from Austria named Peter. He's doing so much hiking. He's going the whole Clouds Rest. He did some lake hikes going to Half Dome. Dude's a beast, but my path leads me back down. We're gonna take this little ridge down and begin the descent of the hike. How's it going?
Good. Keeping a low center of gravity.
That's a good idea.
I'm a little freaked out, but
You're almost there and it gets a lot wider and easier. This is the sketchy part right here. Yeah, there is a little narrow section at the top where you have quite a steep drop off on that side and on this side, so you do want to be conscious and not lose your footing, because I don't think you'll be recovering from that one, but just take your time. It's really not that bad. Rocks have a lot of traction. How's it going?
wow, it's so amazing up here.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? You're almost at the summit and perfect spot.
Okay.
This descent is tough going. Two miles left to the parking lot, and the best thing ever is waiting for me. Nice, cool, refreshing Tenaya Lake to jump in and then cook up some food. I'm famished, but what a cool hike so far. Oh my gosh. A cold drink after that hike feels so good. Wow. Calories. Felt amazing. Holy cow. After hiking, what, 14 miles, dipping in that cool lake. Best thing ever. Really warm, close to the shoreline. Get out a little bit further, it's quite chilly, but Man. That felt so good. Doing some much needed R&R, rest and recharge, as I call it. Had to put up a wind barrier because the wind off the lake was putting out the flame, but doing some banana pancakes. So hungry. This is gonna taste amazing. Yum. Well guys, that was a scrumptious meal, but I have left and I'm on my way now to Yosemite Valley. I think I'm gonna try to catch the sunset at Tunnel View. So let's head over there and get going. Here at Tunnel View, it's quite beautiful. You can see El Cap, Half Dome, and a bunch of other cool mountains in the background, which I've hiked many of them now. But got that golden sun coming down, looks wonderful.
Yes, because then he said like.
Well, that was quite cool to see, but I've got my photos and videos. I'm done. I'm ready to head back to camp, cook up some chicken noodle soup. So let's go do that before it gets too dark. Tunes, baby, tunes! Bridal Veil Falls right there. And good old El Cap. Well, it's officially gonna be dark when I get back to camp to make my chicken noodle soup, so I'm not gonna rush it, man. I'm gonna stay in this valley for a bit longer and just enjoy it.
Saw silver clouds below. You saw everything.
We're at camp. Yeah, it's better. Got the chicken soup, grilled cheese. Let's eat. I'm gonna read a bit of my book, go to bed, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
If you liked that video, make sure to check out my YouTube channel where I have a ton of videos just like this one. Hiking, camping, cooking delicious meals, and having fun. If you want to see my newest adventures, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll get notified next time I post.